smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat. I'd run 1,000 miles if I could run with you.
Morning everyone, me Sam's Vlog Trains and more here back with another vlog. Today we're on the train. I was going to say we're going to a secret holiday destination, but you guys would have read the title. Yeah, that's it, we're going into Wales. We're going to go to South Wales. The base is going to be Cardiff, but we are going to go to Barry Island one day and do some bits and bobs around the Cardiff area. And also the reason why we're going to Cardiff as well is actually because my brother Tom actually lives in Cardiff. He does with his girlfriend in Cardiff, so that's also why we're going down to Cardiff. Nice place it is. And we're also with my mum. Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, we're just coming into Birmingham on the train in a few minutes. Then we've got to change trains to get the Cardiff train, and it takes about 1 hour and 55 from Birmingham New Street, so a bit of a long one it is. And annoyingly, those turbo stars don't have plug sockets, but hey ho, I've got my portable charger. Anyway, I'm going to show you a few shots of the journey as we go down to Cardiff. And also, I bet my mum wants me to show the fact that we got new suitcases. My mum is honestly obsessed with her suitcases. But yeah, we've actually got... Where are they from? Next, apparently. So yes, let's show you a few shots of the journey.
That makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you.
Right, yeah, so we've now made it into the just down past Cardiff Central Station by the BBC building. Right, we're actually just about to go to find our hotel for the couple of days. We're going to be staying in the Hotel Indigo. We are, so we're going to go find that. But actually my brother is actually on his way to the Cardiff Central Station, so we just stopped by this statue of Betty, and we're waiting for him to pick us up. Well, pick us up, waiting for him to come and find us, basically.
Fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat. It's amazing all the time. You are the...
So, folks, we've finally checked into the hotel. We're in the Hotel Indigo. We are staying in room 421, which unfortunately is, I don't think is another class of train, to be honest with you. Damn.
Oh, was the one before that we swapped?
No, I don't think it was 227. I don't think it's a 227. But yeah, we're in 421, so I just thought I'd spin you guys right around, baby, right around, like a wrecking ball right around, and show you the hotel. Right, so Tom's just dropped us off. He's just gone back to his place to drop off something and pick up his girlfriend. But so in the meantime, me and my mum are just going to chill, refresh, and I think we're going to go out for a meal tonight. We are not sure we're going to go, but we are going to go out for a meal. We are. So door is there. That's like the fire safety information, bog standard with every hotel. And then you've got I think that's like a do not disturb sign you have. And then what I found funny was you can literally put any single key into the little slot and it'll work. For example, this is like a Hotel Chocolat one. Look in the mirror, who do you see? That sexy man, which is me. And then you've got some lamps, an old-fashioned phone which looks like it's from the 60s. you've actually got, would you believe this, USB and 3-pin plugs. You've got 2 beddos, one for me and one for my mother. Then you've got the bathroom. Don't worry, I flushed the toilet. And then you've got some hand wash and some hand and body lotion. Another mirror. Hello. Hello. And then some tissues. Glasses, they're clean, that's good. And then, oh, you got some more. This is like shampoo, shower, gown, conditioner. You've got one of each. That is a nice bonus. It is a shower, it is. And it is actually one of them rainfall ones because you've got one head there and then another head there. And you've also got a little space in the corner which you can shove your like shower down that one, shower. A bin down there, toilet roll, towels, and then we've got a little desk area which is good because I can do some editing. The editing suite, which comes with a nice lamp, another mirror, hello. A TV, not going to turn it off because of copyright purposes. But I'm going to be copyrighted by what actually is playing on bloody Facebook in the background. You've got some drawers, anything in there like to be nosy. I think they're just empty. That'll be good for storing like clothing items like boxes and stuff in and socks. Yeah, they're empty. You've got a bin down there, a chair, and then you've got this, which for years I thought when staying in hotels was like a trouser press, but it's actually where you can store your suitcase. But now I've kind of blocked it a bit. And in here you have the minibar area, which comes with a Welsh waffle. When I stayed at the one in Liverpool a few years ago, it was a Kit Kat. Another few glasses, and then I've got a fridge, which is good because it's a summer, so I can store like drinks and that in there. And you also get a bottle of still water and sparkling water, and it is actually Welsh water, would you believe it or not? And then you've got a mug with a sheep on because, of course, Wales is full of sheep. You've got some Welsh tea, and I think that's Welsh hot chocolate, and then UHT milk. And then you've got this Welsh woman here sat in the rocking chair. She comes included in the price of the room. Not.
I like the fluffy thing.
And then you've got a nice closet, which
Wardrobe, you ain't know everything.
most of my viewers would call it a closet. You've got an ironing board and an iron because I'm going to totally do some ironing tonight. I am. And then you've got 2 dressing gowns, which in a second I will demonstrate me trying one on.
The robes.
Robe, whatever you want to call it, dressing gown, robe, house coat. And then you've got the hairdryer, which is in there. And then I think that's about it. I don't think there's anything else I need to show you. Yeah, I think I've covered everything. Oh, and you've got some weird decorations of a plate. And then another a little lamp as well. Very snazzy. And then this, which looks like a barbecue. But it's not actually a barbecue. It's a little like bedside table.
Get the fluffy stool.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, because we actually had some.
This fluffy stool.
Oh yeah, we've got a fluffy stool there, but unfortunately we haven't got a little bench because we did actually have to move rooms because the floor they originally gave us wasn't suitable because my mum couldn't get a walk up there. But the friendly bloke, in fact, friendly staff here to say the least, the woman on reception was very, very friendly as well. And then breakfast is in the morning, 6:30 till 10:30. I'll probably show that in tomorrow's vlog. And then, yeah. And I think that's it. Obviously you get the kettle there. But I'm going to show you, demonstrate me with one of the robes on. Also, my only complaint about these rooms you've got like a frosting design for the window. So you can't really see out the window. So you can't see what the weather's going to be. I actually watched another man's review of this hotel, actually, to be honest with you. But anyway, let's demonstrate trying on the robe. Right, so who on earth are they making these bathrobes for? Because honestly, it doesn't quite fit, and I'm 6 foot tall.
That ain't
But-
gonna go around my belly.
Yeah, but it's alright. Doesn't really suit me when I'm wearing it with a hoodie, does it? But nice bathrobes, nice touch. There's no slippers though, unfortunately. Right, 2 more things to note. The actual room key is actually wooden. There it is. So I think that's a good way of trying to cut down on plastic. Second thing is, I'm going to try the weird Welsh waffle. she nicked one from the other room.
Very chilly in that.
They're interesting.
Not horrible.
They're not horrible, but they're not nice.
Not something I'll go out my way to buy. You're not videoing yourself eating that, are you?
Yeah,
That's gross.
it's not. But it's alright. So, folks, we're now back at the room. This is where we're going to end the vlog. We went out for a meal at the most dodgiest Wetherspoons in the whole of Cardiff.
You saw a giraffe?
There we saw some man dressed up as a giraffe. And then we actually went and bought a picture from this artist, actually, street artist on the street. And,
Clip of it, won't you?
yeah, I'll put a picture of it on the screen now. If my fingers want to work. There we are, it's coming up to the screen now. And yeah, this is where we're going to end the vlog. I'm not sure what we're going to do tomorrow.
Go to the castle.
We are, yeah, I think we're going to do the castle. And maybe go down to the bay, but we're not sure yet. But we do have, we've got a dinner invite, haven't we, Mum?
Yep.
We're actually going to be going to my brother's girlfriend's house, because their mum Rose has actually invited me and my mum down for a chicken dinner, which would be nice, and that'll be happening tomorrow night. And then other than that, we're just going to watch a bit of TV and then just chill and wind down for the evening. Because we're bored and we could have stayed out, but we didn't. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up. And if you want to become a member as well, you can do. I offer some perks down there as well.
And a free sheep.
And then comment down below as well. And then if you're new to the channel,
Comment down below if you like sheep.
yeah, Wales is full of sheep. So if you like sheep, comment down below. Subscribe if you're new to the channel as well. It's free to subscribe. And hit the bell for all notifications so you never miss another video or live stream. Take care, folks. Bye. I don't know what bye is in Welsh, but I know Shemai is hello. But bye, everybody. Peace out. Bye.
You, I know it's alright.